It doesn't get much better, folks. And look at this pond. And there he goes. I saw something the last time I was here, and I'm here to get it. What can I say?
How cool though.
All right. I'm so stoked for this, bro. So excited. It just truthfully doesn't get any better than this, Cuffaro's. Like, my goodness. The water has cleared up already since I plugged that UV in the last video. French angel fish, emperor angel, queen angel, hippo tangs. I mean, you kind of just name it, powder blue. There's the purple tang that we got last video. Fox face, pajama fish, monos. I mean, you just keep on naming, they're gonna come. Look at that thing. It doesn't get much better, folks. It really doesn't. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. I've got some seaweed to start off the video. We're gonna put it in here and watch these fish all just chow down. Oh yeah, look at that. They're nuts. I've got a few more. Sharing is caring, fellas, sharing is caring. There you go. From above while feeding, it just looks awesome. The fish are all eating mysis right now. It is a mysis feeding, and I just watched our new purple tang. Oh, he's doing it right in front of us now. Come up and eat some shrimp as we speak, which is great signs. This video was filmed the day after I got this fish, so it hasn't been long and this fish is already eating, which is a great sign. And I'm trying to look for the other fish that we got. There's so many fish in here. I'm trying to look for the multicolored angel. I just don't see him yet. In this pond, there's so many more places for these fish to hide. So, oh, look at the eel going through the rock. The more you look, the more you find. Y'all have been absolutely loving the saltwater videos. In the last couple of videos, we got a couple fish for the reef pond. You just saw the purple tang. And we also got this fully filled up with fresh water. Everything is flowing. It's very, very clear. Straight from Miami, this water. I mean, look at that water. I figured today, this thing's been running for over a week now. Fresh water, obviously, the same filter, same UV, and same skimmer as when it was running prior. But today, not only are we gonna get a new fish for that pond, the very first purchase of a predatory fish for this pond, not only that, we are also going to move our shark out of this tub and into that pond over there, which is gonna be huge. I can't wait to move the shark. There's the shark right there. You can see his head. We got a bamboo shark. If you weren't aware, we made this tub and rescued this shark. All recently, actually. That's all recent. But there's a slight leak, as you can see. The pond is still leaking just a little bit. I mean, so much slight that it barely had dropped like a couple inches even. But I'm gonna get this, since we're getting the shark out, I'm gonna lower this down. I'm gonna fix that leak by putting a bulkhead on the inside of the tub and not just the outside like that. I'll put one on the inside. And that'll never leak again after that. Look at those beasts. Holy smokes. Listen, I can't wait to get this done. This water is like yellow well water. I know I get distracted really quickly. This pond is gonna be so fun to move all the fish out of. Today's mission is to move the shark and, of course, go get a new fish for the predatory pond. And I already know what fish I'm getting. We saw it in a recent video. You might get the hint by saying that. But of course, if you don't know, you'll figure out here very shortly. I can literally take a seat right here, kick my feet up, and look at this pond. That looks amazing. What I do need to do though is this rock fell over. I kind of like that rock, how it's sitting sideways like that. I know the fish would like that too. But look at those little scapes that we had made. It's perfect for those smaller fish that are gonna be put into here eventually. The main scape though looks great. I think having the hole at the top like that is so much better. All right, it's time to get this shark over and into the new pond. Now, temperatures in this pond and of course that pond are gonna be the same. Same building, same humidity, same everything. So, that's a step ahead. What I need to do is hopefully, I don't want to stress this fish out, but I'm gonna get this net over here. I'm gonna scoop him out and get him to that pond as fast as I possibly can and put him right in. The faster, the better. Fish is already taken from a tank and put into this tub. We would hate to put it through much more than just a simple scoop and a dip into that pond right there. So let's do it. Now, unfortunately, this bamboo shark has been quite the challenge to get to eat. Do you remember when I had hatched a baby one? That same exact thing is this full grown. They're very difficult when they're moved from something they're comfortable in, like the aquarium that this fish was in at the time. He ate like crazy in that tank. I moved him into the tub, where obviously that's just a holding tub. He didn't really eat much. I think I got him to eat once or twice. I might have a video when he came out and sniffed one. Now he's definitely slower than he was because he's not eating like he should be, but let me tell you, when he touches water into here, he's gonna have the sand, the structure, and a lot more homey feel, more like he's in the wild. So hopefully he does good. I'm gonna release him out right here. Take a look. And there he goes. Straight down to the bottom. He's probably gonna find a rock or something. I know for a fact he's gonna like the fact that it has sand and he can kind of feel like he is a real shark now. As you can see, he looks more lively and excited already just to be in this pond. Dude, he's stoked. He's so stoked. There he goes. He's just gonna simply explore the entire pond now that he's in here. It looks so dope having a shark in here. Big old cave. You got plenty of space to swim. He is like a baby compared to how big this is. I gotta get in there and get a net and get all that debris off the bottom. It's from when I had the mangrove in here. I'll do that here today. It looks good. Now that the shark is in, it is officially time. We can now go shopping for the very first species to go in this predatory saltwater pond. Do you have any idea what it may be? Let's go take a look together. To Andy's fish store we go. We're back again. My favorite shop locally. This is the spot right here, Andy's shop. If you guys ever need anything saltwater, of course, come to my boy Andy's. He'll take care of you here. I saw something the last time I was here, and I'm here to get it. What can I say? That's a bad picture. Listen, my ADHD is getting to me here. That's really, really cool. We actually just got one of these, but yeah, I'm getting the grouper. I don't know if you guys remember, I showed it in the last video. I really thought on it for the night, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna come back and get it for the saltwater predatory pond. The same one that we just moved the shark into. He's hiding back there. He's hiding. Look at the coral banded shrimp just vibing in the algae. He doesn't want to show himself now. He's like, oh no. Look at this guy. Is that Giolani Vani? Hey, Gio. This place is popping, dude. We might as well just start popping champagne here in a minute. Dude, I gotta show you this. First of all, look at this fish. Oh, if only that was for sale. I'd be scooping that one up any day of the week right there.
Before you guys go judging me, I just woke up.
Did you just wake up?
Like an hour ago. Went right to the old house, started moving some stuff.
You look tired, dude.
Got a car full of lizards.
You look a little sleepy. That dad life. Oh my gosh. What do you think? Sick, right? It's gonna be a little tough one to catch. Yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Got him. Woo! Splash show. There he goes. And we're keeping him in a bucket this time, not even a bag. The colors on him are just beautiful. Little blue dots. Just like that, fellas. Got ourselves a grouper. What do you think, Gio?
Grouper.
Grouper. Say it one more time.
Just say one the other day. Grouper.
Look at all them snails. I think we do a snail-only aquarium. How cool would that be?
Not cool at all.
Talk about what?
Not cool at all.
You don't think, dude? Snail,
No.
snail only.
No.
Dude, that would be the most action-packed aquarium we've ever seen.
Talking about a party underwater.
A freaking horseshoe crab, man. It's literally the size of half my finger. I've never seen a horseshoe crab before.
Never. Well, I mean,
I've never seen one before. I mean, imagine a big one in the pond. That would be sick. All right. I'm so stoked for this, bro. So excited. All right, we're gonna slowly acclimate this fish to my pond. We'll just do like a cup full, give it a little bit, do another cup full until this bucket is pretty much filled up. That was a stressful trip for this grouper. There it goes. It's a good 45-minute drive. We didn't really have anything else other than that to get him here. He's in the pond. All right, I just added the fish inside the pond. I can't find either one of them. So my only other option, since I gotta get in and get the debris out the bottom anyway, let's get a GoPro and hop in myself. This pond is so fun to swim in now that there's no fish. You don't have to worry about getting bit by a tang. Now you just gotta worry about getting bit by a shark. That's it. I got pretty much as much debris as I could. I'm gonna go looking for the fish now. And that is why we need to get more fish. I don't know where the grouper is. It's hiding in a rock, for sure. I'm sure it'll come out to eat eventually. There's a lot of places for them to hide in here, a lot. We just added another cave, actually. And obviously we plan to get a lot more fish for this. But the one grouper that we have, I don't know where it went. I will show you where the shark is, though. It's tucked up in a rock. That's enough of me swimming in the pond. Mia, I'm fine. I'm good, Mia. I'm alive and well.
See, look, I'm okay.
Transferring a shark, buying a new fish, a grouper. It's called a Mimiotis grouper. Very unique grouper. I've never really seen them before, and they get fairly big. Let's get a couple facts on this grouper. It's also known as the coral or blue spot rock cod. A spectacular addition to a large home aquarium. It does indeed. People eat them. Look at them, they're on ice. That's not good. But not only transferred the shark, got a grouper, and then of course did a little bit of swimming with. We also fed the fish in the big new reef pond. I feel like every video has just been crazy. It's been all over the place. I've got some really, really cool stuff coming. Per usual, I say it all the time, make sure to subscribe. Smash the like button, share this video with a friend. I gotta let this water calm down now. I just went swimming for a little bit. Right there is our multicolored angel. I knew we'd find him. We are back to present day real quickly before we end the video. This pond looks good. The water is a lot more clear since we've got the UV. And over inside the pond that we just got the grouper for, over here, I'll show you the grouper's favorite spot to hide. He's chilling in he likes to sit right at the top, or sometimes even at the bottom of that rock hole. And then over across the way, if you look in the distance, that's Mr. Shark in the back corner back there. But yep, there's another cave we built recently, the grouper and the shark in this pond. So far, predatory fish pond. This big pond behind me has that small Mimiotis grouper and a bamboo shark. Now, the other pond over here, this reef pond, oh, that's another pond project we got going on in those boxes there. Keep that a secret. But this pond right here, the reef pond, has a ton of different species, and you guys know we've went over them a million times. Yeah, pond looks good. Everything's going great, both of them. Saltwater stuff's good. Now this pond is empty. Now the main goal for this pond is gonna be a quarantine tub. This is gonna be our saltwater quarantine tub, so whenever we get anything new, it'll go in here prior to the two other ones. Of course, over here is going to be all the big freshwater fish. All these big freshwater monsters are getting moved out and put into the outdoor pond. It could just become extremely stressful having so many things going on at once, but I tell you what, when it's all done, it's gonna be so amazing. Look at my hair. As you can see, this, Mia. This pond is, it's ready to go. All I gotta do is, oh, there's Herbie. Hey Herbie. That's my friend Herbie. This pond, although I just need to trim the foam here, I just gotta fill it up and drain it, fill it up and drain it until we've watched all these rocks through. Otherwise, this pond right here is completely done and ready for all of our freshwater monsters to be moved into. I also have here right in front of me, this. And inside is the same thing we've got for all of our aquariums. I saw some comments saying we need underwater lighting out here, and of course, ya boy clutched up and got some underwater lighting. So, as simple as just putting these lights down at the very bottom, probably gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. Just literally right here pointing that way. And that way at night we have a lit up aquarium. I say aquarium, but these are full blown ponds. All right, now these lights I'm just gonna put at a little angle, just like that. And now my goal is to actually, I'm gonna try to foam these in later on. So the goal is actually gonna be to put a little bit of rock around these lights and then foam, just like we foamed all these rocks together like that. I still have to cut that off, but yeah, foam all around that, and then these lights literally cannot move. I'll bury the wire under the rock, and we have our 4 lights right here pointing straight up at me. When all this is filled up with water, it'll look amazing and light this place up just a little bit. Hello, hi Ginger Ninja. What's up? They're adorable. You guys are so cute. You're doing a great job, I will say that. I don't see any rats out here anymore. Literally no rats, dudes. And you're getting so big. Look how big you are now. But anyway, we've got some color changing lights for the freshwater pond, and soon to be a big fish transfer. This is gonna be so crazy. It is so unbelievably nice and shady under here. I can't even express how good it feels to just be sitting right here. And it allows a little bit of light to hit the backside depending on where the sun is, but it's nice in here. It's real nice. I'll sleep right here all night. Sleep. 24 hours in the pond before we fill it. Smash that like button. Imagine 24 hours in the pond. Holy smokes, that'd be crazy. It's been a while, but I decided to get an update on the indoor aquarium. The indoor aquarium is fully, obviously, scaped. You guys saw that, and it's been running for weeks and weeks, months now. We got the new Radion lights on the top. Really, really nice lights. Obviously, substrate is different this time around, and same with the scaping. It looks amazing. The new AI wave makers in there as well. You can see there's a lot of flow going on. It's much, much different than it looked before. Just thought I'd update you guys a little bit. I see some comments. Where's the tank inside? Well, this is what's going on. It's just cycling. We're gonna leave it and let it just do its thing. Back outside. Hello, pigs. Hello, hello, hello. We can't go a video without seeing the goats, right? We got King, we got little baby, of course, Boots here, hey Boots. And the 3 others that never like to come say hello to us over there. We got Mama Goat, Emmy, and Oscar. Mia, come on, we gotta shoot the outro. Come on. Fingers crossed that everything does good in here. I'm probably not gonna get another fish for this pond until I see both of the shark and the grouper eat. So, till then, we'll see ya in the very next video, Cuffaros. Peace out.